I received a message. Yeah, delivered. Your Amazon package with BOYA BY-MM1 has received. Where is it? I didn't receive yet. Okay, now let's look at the package. Yeah. It's open. What is this? This is the invoice. Yeah. Let's look at the quality of the story boxes.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm not sleeping. I'm just doing meditation for inner peace. Where is the box? Where is it? Oh, here it is. This is BOYA BY-MM1 shotgun mic. Let's open it. These are the components in the box and nothing else. Let's place it this side. This is the warranty card and this is the user manual. Okay, this is the shock mount for placing on the cameras like this, and this is the TRRS cable for smartphones, and this is for cameras. It has a nice leather pouch, branding BOYA, and this is the shotgun mic and this is the windshield. Let's look at the mic. Okay, so quite hard. Let's place it this side. First of all, let's see how we connect this with the cameras. Keep it inside to stop the wind, and let's take the shock mount. Press in the middle. God, won't break, please. Yeah, that's a nice fit. And let's keep it onto the camera. Now let's take TRS cable and connect it with. Yeah, this looks like this. Actually, this is a vlogging mic. Let's see how we can connect this with smartphone. Loose the nut. Take the cable out. And take this TRRS cable and keep it with the phone. Sure. It is very small one, not a big problem. We can use another one. Let's disconnect this. Most of the YouTubers prefer column mics for indoor video making, but I prefer this shotgun mic because it doesn't require a battery and it uses the power of the source devices like this laptop or MacBook. This BOYA BY-MM1 has the same design as Rode Micro Video. I will leave the link in the description. And this fits this leather pouch. Fits right in, I think. Let's see. Yeah, it fits right in and it's easy to carry. You can put it in the pocket like this. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you like anything particularly in this video, leave the comment below. I will be pleased to see. And don't forget to subscribe